journey through the stars, where anything is possible, and your most cherished dreams come true. Why, hello there. Come with me and dream the night away. The stars are so inspiring. Connected to the stars. Way up here. Be brave, true, and selfless, and all your wishes may come true. They belong to us, and they are beautiful. We are stars. Nighttime is the best time to dream, don't you think? It feels like we can touch the stars. Valentino, do you think everyone is wishing upon a star right now? Are you? Oh, go on, make a wish.
only one way to